Paul Henderson here. Today I'm going to be putting on my XG-12 tire chains made by KONIG. They're heavy duty tire chains. They have a self-ratcheting system. So once you drive off, they tighten automatically. They're supposed to be a snap to put on. So hopefully it all goes well. And so let's get to it. I'll show a picture of the case real quick. Okay, so I have it laid out here. I only have one out. So what it is, these two pieces will be joined in the back. They just snap in together like that. Around the back side, it makes it real easy. But the trick is, you got to put it on, and you got to make sure that the smooth side of this chain is going to be touching the tire. So the open side will be on the outside. And the one way you can tell that for sure, if you're doing it right, is you should be able to read the KONIG symbol on this tightening part. So anyway, so let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and put them on. So you know, that was pretty easy, that part. Okay, really easy. All these do is just snap together. Easy as that. Piece of cake. You don't want to center it right now, because if you do, the cable is going to fall on this side of the car. It's a pain in the ass. So just wait until you get a couple connections in the front. I already made that mistake once. Okay, I didn't have to roll the car up. I just had to reposition all the chains just a little bit over. So now, should fit perfect. That's that. And then see this this thing here will go through the ratcheting system. And then pull this up. That's it. Then as soon as you drive off, it'll self tighten, self center. Should be a piece of cake. Well, I mean, the other side should be a piece of cake. Let me just check them a little bit more. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'm going to roll it up a little bit and see what happens. Okay, so that's it for the KONIG XG-12 Pro tire chain installation on my 2006 Chevy Silverado. As you can see, it's a piece of cake. No big rubber band and a bunch of clamps to put on. They do have some little buttons you can put on here, but I don't know why you'd want to. Just what, make it look better or something? That's just silly. Anyway, that's it. It's gonna be sweet. I heard they're getting a lot of snow in Tahoe right now. So anyway, that's it. So that's it. The KONIG XG-12 Pro tire chains. I think I paid about $260 for them. Don't quote me on that. I'm not too sure. I think they're worth it. They're pretty heavy duty. Nothing shitty about them. Self-ratcheting, self-tightening. It's it's going to be sweet. So that's it for the tire chain installation by Paul Henderson.